Hello friends, myself Ankush Gupta here on the Unacademy. In this video, I'm going to tell you about one of the very important information. Do you know, on 20th October, Unacademy is organizing All India Scholarship Test at 11 a.m. And this test is applicable for all of you. Okay. All of you who are in your BTech first year, BTech second year, BTech third year, and want to start your preparation for GATE 26 or GATE 25 exam, upcoming 25 exam. ठीक है? उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, and how you can enroll, how you should prepare for this test, that we will discuss. But the most important thing is why you should prepare for GATE exam and what is the strategy. So let me tell you one simple thing. See, I'm here with my triple S mantra for all of you, especially those people who are going to prepare for GATE 2026. Okay? Because the students who are preparing for GATE 25, we have already discussed what you have to do. But the students who are willing to prepare for GATE 2026, this is my success mantra. Triple S mantra, 7 steps of success mantra. First, understand the syllabus and exam pattern. We will help you in that. Start with the basics. If you can't, we are here to help you in our every course, every class, every session. We discuss each and everything with proper basics. Even if the topic is related to your class ninth, we discuss that. Okay. We follow a proper subject wise study approach, like which subject you should start first or which subject you should do second, like this. We will tell you. Practice solve problems and their solutions. We discuss that. We provide you the weekly practice problems, daily practice problems, okay, on regular basis. Regular revision sessions are there on periodic manner. Okay. Regular means not daily, but on every periodic manner. There are revision sessions. And we are here to track the progress and adjust the strategy as per your requirement. That's what we call tailor-made strategies. Okay. As you will move step by step, one subject, second subject, third subject, fourth subject. So obviously, for every subject, there is a different strategy, different approach for every subject, as well as with every month, how you should adjust your strategy and everything. So that's what we are going to discuss. And the most important thing is we are here, the ACE guidance. I'm Ankush Gupta, a curious educator helping all the chemical engineering aspirants from year 2013, one of the most experienced educator in the field of GATE exam for chemical engineering aspirants. So to help you, to get you the access for all of our videos, our content, Unacademy is organizing a test, All India Scholarship Test on 20th October, 11 a.m. Note the time, mark the date. Okay? Where you can get the chance to avail 100% scholarship. Okay, like you can see, everyone, you just attempt the test, you will get 50% scholarship. See, 501 and above means everyone will get 50% scholarship at least. Okay, इससे बढ़िया क्या 50% से ज्यादा scholarship मिल रही है आपको. ठीक है, सिर्फ टेस्ट देना. And if you prepared well and you are able to get good rank, you can avail up to 100% scholarship as you can see on your screen. ठीक है, अब वो आपको करना कैसे है, कैसे अब एनरोल करना है, देखो इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, आप वहां जाके चेक कर सकते हो. और अदरवाइज मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. जस्ट यूट्यूब पे जाओ, अन अकेडमी केमिकल सर्च करो. दिस इज आवर चैनल. इसके कम्युनिटी सेक्शन में जाओ, वहां आप देख सकते हो ये फर्स्ट पोस्ट पड़ी है अबाउट द स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट. दिस इज द लिंक. इस लिंक पे जाओ, यहाँ पे आपके पास ये पूरी डिटेल है इस पेज पर. ठीक है, अबाउट द टेस्ट, द स्कॉलरशिप बेनिफिट्स, एंड आपको कौन सी स्ट्रीम में देना है, CSIT, मैकेनिकल, कंप्यूटर साइंस. बट हमारा केमिकल है तो ME एंड CH, दिस सेकेंड वन. यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है और एनरोल करना है. 11 to 11:30 you can see 30 minutes का टेस्ट एप्टीट्यूड एंड जीएस के क्वेश्चन आएंगे, ओनली 20 क्वेश्चन आ देंगे। ठीक है, एनरोल नाउ, यहाँ क्लिक करना है, यहाँ अपना मोबाइल नंबर टाइप करना है एंड दैट्स इट, लॉग इन करना है, ओटीपी आएगा वो सबमिट करना है। ध्यान रखना आप में से जो लोगों ने पहले अगर अपना कोई फ्री अकाउंट बना रखा है तो वो लोग दूसरा मोबाइल नंबर यूज करेंगे। ठीक है, बिकॉज दिस इज फॉर न्यू स्टूडेंट्स, न्यू नंबर्स। ठीक है, न्यू मोबाइल नंबर्स के लिए है। अगर आपका कोई पुराना आईडी है, पुराना नंबर है तो उससे आपको नहीं मिलेगा। ओके, तो बी केयरफुल, सी यू ऑन द बोर्ड, and well, after that, we are here to help you, as I have told you. 7 steps of success mantra for Gate 25 as well as 26. Be ready for your race guidance. See you guys on board.